So far we saw the primary alcohol preparation. Now we are going to see the isopropyl alcohol, propane 2-ol. They are come under the category of secondary alcohol. First preparation from alkene. Here it is undergo a Markov-Viniko rule. We studied in our 11th standard. Now first propene. Propene means 3 carbon, so double bond is present there. So the name of that compound is prop-1ene. First carbon we are having double bond, so that prop-1ene. And common name is propylene. Double bond for common is ylene, so propylene. Now we are going to add water in presence of concentrated sulfuric acid. Water, how can you split? H plus OH minus. According to our Markov-Viniko rule, the H goes to CH2 and OH minus goes to CH. So that we are going to get the compound propane 2-ol. That is 3 carbon prop single bond ene and OH group is present in the second carbon. So the name of that compound is propane 2-ol. Another preparation, alkyl halide. Here the alkyl halide we are going to take is a isopropyl chloride or 2-chloropropane plus sodium hydroxide. It is in a aqueous sodium hydroxide. Aqueous means always we are getting substitution reaction. Here the chlorine is substituted by OH group, so that we are getting desired compound here. Second preparation from the Grignard reagent for the propane 2-ol. We are going to add acetaldehyde. Acetaldehyde formula CH3C double bond OH, and along with that methyl magnesium bromide. As usual, positive and negative we are write the respective places, and positive goes to negative, negative goes to positive, so that we are getting one complex compound. Now the water we are going to add means water splitted as HOH. The OH is added with the MgBr. Now we get the compound propane 2-ol. The next preparation is from acetone. Acetone formula CH3C double bond O CH3. Here lithium aluminum hydride is added. Usually lithium aluminum hydride means it is a reduction reaction. What is reduction? Addition of hydrogen. Hydrogen means H2 is splitted into 2 hydrogen. One of the hydrogen is added with the carbon, another hydrogen is added with the oxygen, so that we are getting propane 2-ol or isopropyl alcohol. Another one from ester. It is a book back question. For the ester, we are going to take here ethyl formate. Ethyl formate, how can you derive? Means formic acid formula HCOOH. That one of the hydrogen is replaced with the ethyl, we get ethyl formate. Now the same way positive negative indicated as shown as in the diagram. The same way methyl magnesium bromide, positive negative are indicated. Positive, as usual, positive goes to negative, negative goes to positive, so we get one complex compound. Afterward we are going to add water. Here after water adding, that magnesium bromide here differently joined with that ethyl oxygen, so that we are getting the product acetaldehyde here. Here that acetaldehyde is added with one more methyl magnesium bromide. That process only we are see in the previous slide. That previous slide from acetaldehyde, when the methyl magnesium bromide is added means we get the product propane 2-ol. So here we can get the propane 2-ol from acetaldehyde also, from ethyl formate also. It is a book back question. That book back question is given as when 2 moles of methyl magnesium bromide is added with ethyl formate, what is the product here? Next preparation is butane 2-ol. It is come under the category of secondary butyl alcohol. First preparation Grignard reagent, the same way acetaldehyde plus ethyl magnesium bromide. Instead of methyl magnesium bromide, here we are going to add ethyl magnesium bromide. The same way positive negative are indicated. Where positive is goes to negative, negative goes to positive, we get the complex compound. Afterward water is going to add, water splitted into hydrogen and OH. OH is added with the MgBr, so we get the respective product, that is secondary butyl alcohol or butane 2-ol. Now preparation of butane 2-ol from alkene. Alkene formula here butylene. But means how many carbon? 4 carbon, and so that double bond means alene in common name, but in IUPAC ene. Ene means which carbon having double bond we have to mention. In first carbon we have double bond, so that IUPAC name is but1-ene. Now we are going to add water in presence of concentrated sulfuric acid. Split the water, HOH, H goes to CH2, OH goes to CH. So we get 2-butanol. Why it is called as 2-butanol means in second carbon we are having OH group, and it is a common name category is secondary butyl alcohol. The next preparation is 2-chloroputane. The chlorine is present in the second carbon, so IUPAC name is 2-chloroputane. Common name is secondary butyl chloride. Here it is going to add with the aqueous sodium hydroxide. Aqueous means substitution reaction, so the chlorine is substituted by OH group. We get the prescribed product. Preparation of tertiary alcohol. First of all, tertiary butyl chloride is added with the sodium hydroxide, aqueous sodium hydroxide. Aqueous means we get the substitution reaction, so chlorine is substituted by OH group, so we get the tertiary butyl alcohol. We already know this IUPAC name, even though you know that I mentioned the number. In that number second carbon has methyl, the same way the second carbon has OH group, so 2-methyl 2-propanol is the IUPAC name. To get primary alcohol means formaldehyde is added with the Grignard reagent. To get secondary alcohol means acetaldehyde is added with the Grignard reagent. Now we are going to get the tertiary alcohol means acetone will be added with the Grignard reagent. So acetone, another name is propanone. Acetone formula CH3 C double bond O CH3. Here oxygen becomes negative and carbon becomes positive. The same way in methyl magnesium bromide, magnesium becomes positive and CH3 becomes negative, and we get one complex compound. Afterward water will be added. Water is split into HOH. The OH always goes to MgBr, so we are getting the prescribed product tertiary butyl alcohol. The next preparation of tertiary alcohol is we are going to prepare 2-methyl hexane 2-ol here. So for that, first of all the reactant is N-butyl magnesium bromide. See how many carbon is there? 4 carbon, so it is a butane, and then magnesium bromide, so linear butane, so it is N-butyl magnesium bromide. It is added with the acetone or propanone. Positive negative are indicated. Positive goes to negative, negative goes to positive, so we get the complex compound here. Afterward water is added. Water is split into HOH. OH always goes to MgBr, so that we are getting the product like this. Here I mentioned the number 1 2 3 4 5 6. In second carbon we have OH and one more CH3, so 2-methyl and hexane 2-ol. And another common name is carbonyl system. Carbonyl system means the carbon which has alcohol is called as carbonyl. Now that COH is carbonyl. That carbonyl is having 2-methyl, so dimethyl, and one side having butyl. Butyl means 4 carbon. So in carbonyl system the compound name is dimethyl butyl carbonyl. Next, we are going to see the preparation of unsaturated alcohol. Here, so many reducing agent is there, but which one is the best reducing agent for preparation of unsaturated alcohol? The tranny-nickel, sodium, mercury, and water. These are all, they reduce the double bond C also. But lithium aluminum hydride alone, it does not reduce the double bond C, so that we can use the lithium aluminum hydride for the preparation of unsaturated alcohol. See the example: crotonaldehyde formula is CH3CH double bond CH single bond CHO. Here 4 carbon is there, so put, and in second carbon we have double bond, so 2 and aldehyde means Al. So name of that compound is butyl. And lithium aluminum hydride we are going to add means reduction will take place. Reduction means addition of hydrogen. Just you are going to add the hydrogen in nearer to aldehyde carbon CH2, and that HO you have to replace it, interchange it, so that we get crotyl alcohol. And here also 4 carbon pure. In second carbon we have double bond, so 2 in first carbon we are having alcohol, so 1 al. Next, we are going to prepare the alcohol where the reactant has 2 or more functional group. Here we are going to use sodium borohydride. That sodium borohydride particularly reduce the more reactive group. Now see the example. In that example we have 2 functional group. One is ketone, another one is acid. The ketone is called as carbonyl group, acid is called as carboxyl group. That sodium borohydride particularly reduce the carbonyl compound because it is a more reactive one, so that we are getting the product. See the product in CO, that hydrogen is added, that hydrogen is splitted into 2. One of the hydrogen is added with the carbon, another hydrogen is added with the oxygen, so that we are getting the alcohol group. Here how many carbon is present? 5 carbon, and in first carbon acid, fourth carbon ketone. So reactant side the name of the compound is pent 4,1,1-ic acid. In product side there is 5 carbon, in fourth carbon we are having alcohol, in first carbon acid, so that the compound name is 4-hydroxy pentanoic acid.